Hi, everybody. A very good evening, good morning. Hi, how you doing? I'm Joshi Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Arm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I'm the founder and the CEO of Arm Decor Design. And as the name goes, we're in the business of designing and manufacturing and supplying solutions for home and office decor and interior solutions. We have products which are high-end luxury, premium, and also on request we do affordable, depending on the country or depending on the project and depending on the requirement. And of course, there are other products keeping the causes of world and climate and concerns and stuff. So there's stuff which is which is done in environment friendly products and stuff, and there's also a pretty kick-ass idea that I have which I'm not sharing now, and most of you will get to know about it once we make the announcement formally about it and stuff. In the interest of climate and environment, what is it that many of us founders, CEOs, designers, or people from the world of branding, marketing, PR, that's my previous experience, can do for the world and help kind of look into the concerns and challenges of nature, environment, and stuff. Okay, so I've had a pretty interesting and exciting week. So there was a very interesting event which was at the Marvel Studio. This was the global world festival of literacy and stuff. And I've been a member of the Marva Studio for a very long time, almost 8 years, 9 years. And it was interesting to see the creations of the students there. They run a fantastic, education place and for culture and stuff like that. And of course, Mr. Marva, for the international personality that he is, everybody knows. If you don't know, Google him, research him. He's amongst the contributors in the industry of entertainment and education and stuff. And of course, he holds a pretty bigger portfolio than many of us even know. So I've been associated with their institute for a while. I've been attending their events and participating. We've done a lot of thought shares there. And we've also extended the thought shares to quality and control management for media and other concerns at various forums, which is including G20. We also had Mr. Narendra Modi and other people kind of taking the lead with the C20 thing. And I've personally and professionally also been advising some members from media and from various parties on work that can be done benefiting our country and what can be done in terms of quality and content and all that. And because I'm also a person who's from the creative field and stuff, and I've been in branding strategy and stuff, and for personality and for the personality that I have, I believe which is not just about my work, because if I wasn't working, I would have still been doing some thought sharing and stuff like that. I've been taking a breather because of my neck cervical. I'm back on track. And the second event was at the United Nations Peace 2024, where we had the global leaders and we had the ministers and bureaucrats and excellencies from all over the world. Everybody knows United Nations has been working very hard for many years. I've also been associated with the Rajasthan Academy and the Lions Club for a long time now, and there have been so many thought shares around this and stuff. So today was something which was actually hearing it from the horse's mouth, because what happens is we kind of form this habit of following news and views and stuff. We make our own impressions. We get disturbed with the news and everything. We get disturbed with the killings and everything. Humanity is a concern, most of us know, but the point is, I think that what's important is it's okay to follow, it's all right to follow if you cannot contribute in your own way. But the point is, if you have an opportunity and if you have a determination or a goal, or if you have an inkling that you want to kind of contribute to it, you'll find a way. Okay, so this is what I was doing there. I was invited today by this international forum. I was there, and as usual, we exchanged courtesies. We met up with lots of global leaders and personalities and stuff, and it's amazing to know what the concerns is. And it's not just about war, which is killing and stuff. It's also about safeguarding economies, bringing back businesses back on track and stuff. It's also about safeguarding wildlife and animals and climate and stuff. And what I personally feel, and I've been sharing extensively also, is that peace starts with you. It's the mindset. If I'm peaceful, everything around me is peaceful. Conflicts happen, difference of appearance happen, politics or news or media information is presented to kind of propagate agendas and objectives and stuff. But the point is, what is it that you allow yourself to be influenced by? What is it that you absorb? what is it that you believe in and stuff, and what is it that you want to stand up for? Do you want to stand up for humanity? Do you want to stand up for whatever, so the choice is yours. So there is a read on this, which was quite a favorite of mine. Please follow video 2 for that.